Good morning, children. This video is for class 3, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is geometry. This is our lecture number 1. Today's topics are number 1, let's rewind. In let's rewind, we will do fill in the blanks, identify the solids, and complete the patterns. Next is point. After that, we will learn about line, types of line, ray, and line segment. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, beta, we will learn about introduction of shapes. So here in geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline. Everything we see in the world around us has a shape. बेटा ज्योमेट्री में बहुत सारी शेप्स होती हैं, ठीक है, और हमारे अराउंड जितनी भी थिंग्स हैं, जितनी भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उन सब की कोई ना कोई शेप होती है. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट दैट. So here, let's rewind of page number 28. Now, beta, question number 1 of let's rewind, fill in the blanks. So here it is given in A part, all sides of a square are dash. So beta, first of all, when you want to solve it, you have to make a square at the side. So let's make a square like this. Now we can count that how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides of a square. But here the question is all sides of a square are dash. कि square की सारी sides कैसी होती हैं? So here we can see that all sides are equal. So here we will write the answer equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. Understood, beta? Now in B part, it is given a triangle has dash sides and dash vertices. So here we will make a triangle. Okay. Now we can count that how many sides are there in this triangle. 1, 2, 3. So here we will write there are 3 sides of a triangle. And one more question is there, that how many vertices. Vertices means a corner. So we can count that how many corners are there. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 corners or vertices. So here we will write 3. Understood? Now in C part, it is given a circle has dash side and dash vertex. So here we will make a circle first of all like this. Now we can see that how many sides are there. There is no side because side हमारी कैसे बनती है बेटा, with the help of line segment. ठीक है, lines की help से बनती है. So there is no side. Okay, so here we will write no side. And how many vertex? There are no vertex. So here we will write no vertex. Understood? Vertex means corner. 1 होता है तो हम vertex बोलते हैं, और अगर 1 से ज्यादा होते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं vertices. Okay? Now in G part, it is given a rectangle has dash sides equal. So here, first of all, we need to make a rectangle. Now, how many sides are there, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4. But there is a question, a rectangle has dash sides equal. Rectangle की कौन सी sides जो हैं वो equal होती हैं. Okay, so here we can write the answer that a rectangle has opposite sides equal. ठीक है, rectangle की opposite sides equal होती हैं. So here we will write the spelling of opposite, O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite sides are equal. Understood, beta? Now question number 2, identified the solids. Now we will learn about solids. Okay, so here in A part, this figure is given, beta. We have to tell that which solid shape is this. Okay, so what is this object, beta? That is flute, bansuri. Okay, now what is the shape of this flute, beta? That is cylinder shape, because we have to write the solid shape of it. So here we will write the spelling of cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Understood, beta? Now in B part, here it is given this object, and this is a football. Okay, Now we have to write the solid shape of this object. Okay, and that is sphere. So here we will write the spelling of sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay. Now in C part, this object is given. So let's see which object is this. This is dice. Okay. So here we have to write the solid shape of this dice. And what is the solid shape of this dice, beta? That is cube. So here we will write cube. C-U-B-E. Solid shape of dice is cube. Okay. Now in D part, this object is given. And here which object is this? This is Joker's cap. Okay. So here we need to write the solid shape of this cap. And what is the solid shape of this cap? That is cone shape. So here we will write cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Okay. Now in E part. This object is given and which object is this? That is cell. Okay. So here we need to write the solid shape of this cell. And what is the solid shape of this cell? That is cylinder shape. So here we will write the spelling of cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Okay. Now in F part. Here this object is given. Which object is this? This is balloon. Okay. So what is the solid shape of balloon? That is sphere. So here we will write the spelling of sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Okay. Now the next one is in G part. This globe is given. Okay. And what is the solid shape of this globe? That is sphere. So here we will write S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Now in H part, here this object is given and this is cylinder. So what is the solid shape of cylinder? That is cylinder. So here we will write this spelling C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Understood, beta? So in this way you can write the solid shape of any object. Okay. Now question number 3. Complete the following patterns. So here in A part, it is given A, B, C. Then A, B, C. Then it is given A. So beta in patterns, first of all we have to observe that what is given to us. Okay. So here you can see A, B, C is repeated again and again. Okay. A, B, C, then again starting from A, B, C, and again starting A. Now we have to write the next. Okay. So here we will write B. After that, C. Now A, B, C is completed. Now again we will start from A. So here we will write A. Understood? Now in B part, it is given 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, then 4, then dash, dash, dash. So here you can see when we observe it, it is written 1 one time, then 2 two times, okay, then 3 three times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it is given 4. Now we have to write 4 four times and one time it is given. So here in all dash we will write 4, then again 4, then again 4. Understood? Now in C part, this is given and we have to fill 3 dash. Okay. So first of all, we will observe what is given to us. Here it is given one triangle. After that one square, then one circle. Again triangle, then square, then circle, then triangle. Now which pattern we have to make? After triangle, what is given to us? Square. So here we will make one square. And after square, circle. So here we will make a circle. Okay. And after circle, triangle comes. So here we will make a triangle. Understood, Bina? First you have to observe what is given to us and after that you have to follow that pattern. Now beta, in geometry from page number 29, first of all we will learn about a point. Okay. So what do you mean by point? We use a dot to represent a point. It has no size and named by a capital letter. So beta, here what do you mean by point? Point means a dot like this. Okay. एक जो डॉट होती है वो पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट करती है. ठीक है, इसका कोई साइज नहीं होता है एंड इट नेम्ड एज अ कैपिटल लेटर. इसको हम एक कैपिटल लेटर का नाम देते हैं. लाइक सपोज आई विल मेक अ डॉट हियर. ओके, एंड हियर आई एम गिविंग यू अ नेम like A, capital A. Okay, so how we can read it? That point A. Understood? And if here I will make another point. Okay, so I am giving you name it as capital B. So how we can read it? Point B. Understood, beta? So whenever a dot is given like this, how you can read it? With the capital letter which is given with its name. Okay, you have to read it point, and after that you have to speak that capital letter. Okay, like here we have speaking it like this, point A, and here and for this dot we will speak it like this, point B. Understood? Now the next one is line. So here beta, what do you mean by line? A line is formed by joining unlimited number of points together. Okay? जब हम एक लाइन को हम कैसे फॉर्म कर सकते हैं? जब हम बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन कर देते हैं तो एक लाइन फॉर्म हो जाती है, बन जाती है. ओके, इट हैज नो एंड और बिगिनिंग पॉइंट. इसका कोई भी एंड या बिगिनिंग पॉइंट नहीं होता. हम कहीं से भी एक लाइन को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो बेटा इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड टू एनी लेंथ इन बोथ दी डायरेक्शंस. ठीक है, हम इस लाइन को किसी भी डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. एक्सटेंड करने का मतलब होता है बढ़ा सकते हैं. ओके, सो द लाइन शोन बिलो इज लाइन ए बी और ए बी लाइक दिस. ठीक है, दिस इज अ लाइन. ओके, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि लाइन के दोनों साइड्स पे बेटा एरो इज गिवन. एरो मीन्स यू कैन एक्सटेंड इट. ओके, आप इसको बढ़ा सकते हो. ठीक है, तो हम इसको या तो बोलते हैं लाइन ए बी. ओके, और वी कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, ए बी, और ए बी के ऊपर हम ये वाली लाइन बना देते हैं. इट मीन्स दिस इज लाइन ए बी. मीन्स वी हैव गिवन इट द नेम लाइन ए बी. अंडरस्टूड? फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट it is written AB. Okay, and we can extend it from both the sides. That's why we have make here arrows on both the sides. ठीक है, जिस तरफ पे ये extend हो सकती है उस तरफ पे हम arrows बनाते हैं. That is why this is called line AB. Understood? Now the next one is line. Note, the arrows on both sides show that the line has no end or beginning point. ठीक है, इस एरो का क्या मतलब है कि इसका कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं है और कोई बिगिनिंग पॉइंट नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन्स. देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन्स. सो लेट्स सी. स्ट्रेट लाइन. A line formed by joining many points in the same direction is called a straight line. Okay, here you can see this is a straight line AB. Understood? A line formed by joining many points in the same direction is called a straight line. So beta, a straight line may be vertical, horizontal or slant. Means there are three types of a straight line: vertical, horizontal or slant. So here I am going to show you that this is a vertical line. Okay, vertical line means standing line. Okay, so here we will write vertical line. Vertical line or standing line, both are same. Okay, now this is the horizontal line. Horizontal line or slipping line we can say it. Okay, horizontal line. And these are the slanting lines. चाहे आप इस डायरेक्शन में बना लो, चाहे आप इस डायरेक्शन में बना लो. These are called the slanting lines. Okay. Now the next is a line formed by many points in any direction is called a curved line. We have read about beta that a line formed by many points in same direction is called a straight line, but in any direction is called a curved line. So what is the difference between a straight line and curved line? Now it is clear beta. In straight line it is in the same direction, but in curved line it is in any direction. So a line formed by many points in any direction is called a curved line. Okay, so here you can see this is a curved line because it it is formed by many points in any direction. किसी भी direction में जा रही है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. Okay, but in straight line ना it goes in the same direction. Okay, बिल्कुल straight जाती है उसमें. And here again we have a curved line. So here line PQ, okay, and line RS are curved lines. Okay, now it is clear beta what is straight line and what is curved line. Now parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines क्या होती हैं बेटा? Two lines which do not intersect each other at any point and the distance between these two lines remains the same everywhere are called parallel lines. पैरेलल लाइंस बेटा वो लाइंस होती हैं जो आपस में कभी नहीं काटती एक दूसरे को. टू लाइंस विच डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट. हियर इंटरसेक्ट मींस कट करना. ओके, सो वो लाइंस, वो टू लाइंस जो आपस में एक दूसरे को कभी नहीं काटती किसी भी पॉइंट पे. ओके, और वो ऐसा कब पॉसिबल होता है? व्हेन द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू लाइंस रिमेन सेम एवरीवेयर. ओके, सो that are called parallel lines. So here parallel lines, the symbol for parallel lines is this. This is the symbol. You can see that the distance between these two lines are same everywhere. Okay, so this is the example of parallel lines. Here PQ and RS both are parallel lines. So how we can write it? Here line PQ is parallel to line RS. Understood beta? This is the symbol for parallel lines. हम टू इस तरह से बनाते हैं lines, ठीक है, standing lines बनाते हैं और इनका gap जो होता है बिल्कुल same होता है. Okay, and this is the another example. You can see these are the slanting lines, but the distance between these two lines are same everywhere. है ना, चाहे आप यहां से देख लो चाहे आप यहां से देख लो, जिसका डिस्टेंस है वो बिल्कुल सेम आता है. तो हाउ वी कैन राइट इट? हियर लाइन AB is parallel to line CD. Is it clear to you? So here I am going to tell you one example of parallel line, that is the track, railway track. Railway track पे बेटा जो ट्रैक बना होता है वो पैरेलल होता है, वो कभी भी आपस में मीट नहीं करता. ओके, now the next one is intersecting lines. So here what do you mean by intersecting? Here you can see intersecting means cut karna. Okay, intersecting lines. So here two lines that meet at a common point are called intersecting lines, and the point where these lines meet is called the point of intersection. तो वो दो लाइनें जो एक कॉमन पॉइंट पे मीट करती हैं, ठीक है, मिलती हैं, those lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, and the point where these lines meet, जहां पर वो एक दूसरे को कट करती हैं, वो जो पॉइंट होता है उस पॉइंट को हम क्या बुलाते हैं बेटा? पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. अंडरस्टूड? Now beta you can see that there are two lines AB and CD and they are intersecting each other. Okay, here at point P. Okay, so here we will write that line AB and CD are intersecting lines and point P is called the point of intersection. Understood beta? यहाँ पे AB line और CD line There are two lines na, AB and CD. Okay, they both are intersecting each other, so that's why they are called intersecting lines. Okay, and at which point they meet, that is at point P. So here point P is called the point of intersection. Okay, now beta, you have to remember one thing, that we can draw unlimited lines through a point. ठीक है, हम एक point से unlimited lines draw कर सकते हैं. Okay, you can see like this. There is a point. Okay, and we have draw unlimited lines from it. हम इसमें से कितनी भी लाइंस बना सकते हैं. आप यहां से भी एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, यहां से भी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. मीन्स from a point you can draw unlimited lines. Okay, now next one is ray. A ray has a definite starting point but goes infinitely in other direction. It has no fixed length, so it cannot be measured. ठीक है, रे क्या होती है बेटा? रे मतलब किरण. ठीक है, a ray has a definite starting point. उसका एक starting point तो होता है, but goes infinitely, वो कहीं पर भी जा सकती है. In other direction, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में जा सकती है. It has no fixed length. ठीक है, इसकी लेंथ फिक्स नहीं होती, इसका जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है दैट इज फिक्स्ड. ठीक है, सो इट कैन नॉट बी मेजर्ड, इसलिए हम इसको मेजर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि इसका एंड पॉइंट जो है वो फिक्स नहीं है. ठीक है, सो द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ रे इज सन. ओके, सन जो है वो फिक्स है, वहां से उसकी किरणें कहां तक जाती हैं वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट ना. ओके, सो दैट इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ रे. एंड लाइक अ ट्यूबलाइट, ट्यूबलाइट का पॉइंट फिक्स है, वहीं से वो स्टार्ट होती है. ठीक है, बट वो कहां कहां तक रोशनी दे रही है, कहां कहां तक उसकी लाइटिंग जा रही है, वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट दैट. Okay, so ray, in a ray there is a definite starting point but we cannot fix its end point. Okay, that's why we cannot measure it. Now ray AB is represented as like this, AB, and above AB we will make an arrow. Okay, so here you can see in this figure that here A is the starting point. Okay, and this is a ray. Okay, ray AB, or you can write it like this, AB, and above AB we will make an arrow. It means A is the starting point. Okay, and if we want to make it like this ki B is the starting point, then how we can read it, that ray BA means B is the fixed point in that. Okay, and how we can write it, like BA, and after before above BA we will make an arrow like this. Okay, so here AB is not equal to BA. ठीक है, यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें AB जो है वो BA के इक्वल है, तो that is not equal, because here in AB A is the fixed point and in BA B is the fixed point. Okay, now line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has a fixed length. It has two endpoints. Line segment क्या होता है बेटा? We read it about line ना? So what do you mean by line segment? Line segment जो है वो line का ही एक part होता है. A line segment is a part of a line. It has a fixed length. ठीक है? And it has two endpoints. इसके two endpoints होते हैं. Means if we want to draw a line segment, we can say like you have to draw 3 centimeter line. It means you are making here line segment of 3 centimeter because it has a fixed length. Okay, 3 centimeter. So line segment AB is represented as like this, AB. Here you can see that we have not arrow at the sides because it has fixed length. Okay, This is a line segment AB. हमने इस line segment को नाम दिया है AB. And here AB is equal to BA. अब हम इसको यहां से मेजर करें, लेंथ AB को यहां से मेजर करें यहां तक, या फिर BA को यहां से यहां तक मेजर करें, both are equal. Okay? Now beta, today's homework, do question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3A in book only. Okay? आपको exercise 3A का question number 1 and 2 करना है book में. Okay? Now I am going to show you homework questions. Now beta, homework sums which is given on page number 31 in your book. Here in question number 1 it is given, match the following. This is point, line segment, line, ray, parallel lines, curved lines, intersecting lines. You have to match it with their symbols. Okay. So for that, how you can do it? First of all, you have to read the page number 30, okay, 28, 29 and 30. Okay. After that, you will be able to do it. Read it carefully and after that, you can do it easily. Okay. Now in question number 2 beta, you have to identify the following as lines, rays and line segments. Okay, you have to see the symbols and then you have to write which line is this. Okay, thank you.